Quick question, have you ever seen a motorcycle with an actual car engine bolted into it? Not a big single, not a triple, not even a V8 built specifically for bikes. An actual, unmodified V8 out of a Corvette or a truck. If not, let me introduce you to HOSS. HOSS is a small American manufacturer that's been doing exactly this for decades, taking real General Motors V8 engines, the same ones you'd find in a truck or a muscle car, and building a motorcycle chassis around them. Most people have genuinely never heard of them, and honestly, a lot of riders assumed they didn't exist anymore. They do. And for 2026, they simplified everything down to just two models, a cruiser and a bagger. There's a 6.2-liter option making 445 horsepower, a slightly different 6.3-liter with a lower torquier character, a 7.4-liter making 563, and now, brand new for 2026, an 8.1-liter big block, the largest one they currently sell. That biggest engine isn't actually new technology. It used to power a different HOSS model that just got discontinued. So in a way, this engine got a second life. And you know what? There's no clutch. It's a 2-speed semi-automatic with a torque converter, same idea as an old automatic car. There's even a reverse gear, which makes sense once you realize this thing weighs about 556 kilos fully fueled. You're not muscling that backward by hand. If this is the first time you're seeing this, welcome to one of the weirder corners of the motorcycle world. Subscribe if you want more of these, wait, that's real, bikes? And let me know, had you heard of HOSS before this?